Narito na ang programang Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Narito na ang programang Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran.
Ladies and gentlemen, the session of this honorable is about to commence. Everybody please stand.
As the elected Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, this 34th regular session is now called to order.
To members of the Sangguniang Commission, Honorable Kathleen C. Briones, Honorable Mark Aris Pilbansin, Honorable Maria Concepcion Hernandez Piloso, Honorable Alice Manuel de Mendoza, Honorable Joel D. Bua, Honorable Raul D. Monte Alto, Honorable Pasiles Liviste, Honorable Yuri Katipon, Honorable Donato Olinato, Honorable Donato Monfero, Honorable Virgilio M. Macasay Jr., and the Honorable Presiding Officer, Honorable Mayor P. Africa.
May I call room?
Mayor Pacoro.
We will request the Honorable Linato for running commission.
Manalangin tayo. Ama naming makapangyarihan, sa umagang ito ay itinatalaga namin ng aming mga sarili sa kadahilan ng kami inyong mga anak at kami mga pinili nyo ng mga lingkod bayan dito sa lungsod ng Lipa. At kami ay lubos at buong buo ang aming pasasalamat, Panginoon, sa lahat ng mga pagpapala na aming tinatanggap sa araw-araw ng aming buhay. Lalo tigit ang aming buhay na punong-puno ng mga pagpapala na nagmumula sa inyo. Kaya po, Panginoon, simula sa araw na ito, lukuban ang aming isip at puso upang ang lahat ng aming sasalitain at gagawin ay maging kasang-ayon ng inyong banal na kalooban. Kaya sa umagang ito, Panginoon, ay patuloy ang aming pagpupuri pasasalamat sa inyo sapagkat kayo ang aming dakilang Diyos. Kaya po, sa inyong pagbibigay sa amin ng katungkulang ito, naway ito'y magampanan namin ng buong katapatan at nakasandig lahat sa mga aral na nagmumula sa inyong mga kautusan at mga aral na pinagkaloob sa bawat isa sa amin. Kaya sa umaga ito, lubos ang aming pasasalamat at pagtulong sa inyo. Ito po ay sagot dalangin namin sa pangalan ni Jesucristo na aming Panginoon at Diyos. Amen.
We likewise request the Honorable Linato to lead the singing of the national anthem.
Ilagay natin po ang ating kanang kamay sa ating dalawang dibdib at awitin ang lupang hinirang. of the committee is not yet around. With authority from the presiding officer, Vice Mayor, I move that we dispense the reading of the previous minutes and the same be considered as approved.
Any second to the motion? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon. Discussion? Objection? The chair hears none. The minutes of the previous session is hereby approved. This is for the Mr. Secretary.
Business for the day. A reclassification request from agricultural to residential use of Mr. Benedictus De Silva, active with an area of 104,050 square
404. Referred to Committee on Land Use. Resolutions and ordinances for third and final reading. The Honorable, the privilege announcement, urgent matter. The Honorable Puwa is recognized. Urgent matter.
Good morning po, Mr. Chair. Along with this, the letter request of of Ma'am Juliet Avenido of Limanan, forwarded to us by the City Mayor. Mr. Chair,
Referred to Committee on Land Use.
Mr. Chair, I move for the urgency of this matter, Mr. Chair.
Any second for urgency? Seconded by the Honorable Linato. Discussion? Objection? The chair hears none. The motion to be seconded is hereby approved.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance classifying the property of Limalan from with an area of 80,361 square meters from agri to industrial commercial for the third final reading.
Any second the motion? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon and the Viste. Discussion? Objection? The chair hears none. The motion to be seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. At urgent matters, the Honorable Puwa is recognized.
Mr. Chair, I move for Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance declassifying the property of Limalan with an area of 249,977 square meters from agri to industrial commercial.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon and the Viste. Discussion? Objection? The chair hears none. The motion to be seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. Urgent matters? Na the Honorable
With the permission of the chairman, sabi mapapapa, Chairman Joel Puwa, the business for the day, please consider the subject, Mr. Chairman.
seconded by the Honorable Mendoza. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none. Item number 1 of business for the day is hereby declared as urgent.
I move that we pass an ordinance classifying the area of 400 square meter, 404 square meter from agricultural to residential.
Seconded by the Honorable John Timu and seconded by the Honorable Mendoza. Discussion? Objection? The chair is none. The motion to be seconded is hereby approved.
Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn.
Session is adjourned.
Narito na ang programang Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
narito na ang programang Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran.